We're gonna do bottom flip. So first I'm gonna go first, second, third, and then my mom is fourth. Three, because she's fourth.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Hello, okay. Okay. My turn. This is how you do it. Almost. Oh, look.
It's all zero.
Look. Oh, ikaw. Tagal naman. Ano ba yun? Next. You lose your chance already. So until tomorrow, we will be here. Uy, ba yan? Paasa. Tagal naman. Uy, done. Game 3.
Pull up.
Taas naman kasi.
Guys, whoever reached like this is the champion. That's the most hardest one in the world.
Rotation. Alex, next. Oh, look. We'll see who will be the champion of the bottle flip challenge. Oh, almost. Tita Lisel. Okay, my turn. Oh my gosh. Ay, almost. Okay, I'm gonna show you the return. In 3. Hindi, okay lang. Gusto mo lang makiinom eh. Okay na. Ako ulit.
3, 2, 1.
Ikaw. O yun? Sabaw ka naman mag-flip eh. Wow! You miss your chance na. Wala ka na. Uy. Ano na, 1 na si Tito Vibes. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Wait for your turn. Ay, wala ka na. Tapos ka na. Your chance is already done. Oh my God! Oh,
I'm a pro bottle flipper.
he's a good. Grabe naman kayo magsibato. Okay, please, quiet, guys. 3, 2, 1. Pat. Best of 3. Ito na si Tito Bad. Game, Alex. I pray for you. Ala, mayupi na. Paano ba tatayo yan? Game. Ano ba yun? Ayun o. Ayun o. Galing talaga ng Tito Abe.
Sana nagsabi ko.
Okay na, may winner na. And the winner is... Oh, sige, last chance for you. Oh my God! Okay, final. Ayun, yun o. Tingin bang. Ngunit tumba. Okay na, girl.
Yan.
Last time for the girl.
Wala pa rin point.
Okay. Bye, guys.